Welcome to Thuong.
Yeah! All right, guys. Have a good day.
Thanks, Mark.
Have a good day. Sammy, not Marcus, yeah? All right, I love it. I meet so many nice people here. And yeah, so they did the Welcome to Danang today. And it is also raining like crazy. And it is windy, yeah. It is windy. But this is not this is not a good weather channel. This is a reality channel. And I'm holding my umbrella like crazy. Oh my God, look at this. Yeah, it's windy and rainy today, guys. So, but we're still gonna do a walk for you guys so you know how the weather is. Oh my God, it's so... Ah! Oh my God, now it's like really, really bad. You know, I'm rocking some hookahs, but they're already wet, guys. It's the problem with the wind. So trying to keep it stable, my camera. But yeah, we'll also show you the rainy beach right now. My God, this is bad. Don't forget to like, guys. I'm walking here for you guys. Definitely have to go home soon. Nice and warm. Maybe drink a tea. This is the perfect time to have a nice Vietnamese noodle dish. A hot steaming broth. Ideally a good pho. Or if you're here, a bún bò Huế or bánh căn. Wow, nice. Or hủ tiếu. But make sure it's nice and hot. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit watery here. The pavement. Be careful, guys. Be very, very careful. I want you to really stop right now. If it is wet in Southeast Asia, be very careful if you walk around with flip-flops or Crocs. It might be the right thing to do because you can get wet and everything. But be careful, guys. Marcus slipped like crazy. I slipped one time and I interviewed a German couple the other day. She had flip-flops on and she tripped on a slippery floor and she broke her spine? No, I'm not sure what it was. Oberschenkel-Halsbruch. For all my Germans who speak good English, please translate. Oberschenkel-Halsbruch. Terrible injury, guys. Terrible injury. She was very happy with the Winmac. She had emergency surgery there. A guy even flew in from Hanoi, and I think it was $8,000. So a little bit of a price info here. So it was $8,000. It was very good quality, very good, and like a 5-star hotel. Oh my God, that's that. So it was a very good experience at Winmac. Winmac is, I think, the most expensive hospital here. All hospitals are great. I think Winmac is just a little bit more like a 5-star hotel. It looks very good. But they also said they did not like the food there. But at least they have food there. They said it was 3 times warm dishes, spaghetti, rice for breakfast. And this is not the typical German breakfast they like. But other than that, they were very, very happy with the service in the hospital. And of course, all the doctors and nurses. But yeah, now you see Da Nang Beach completely empty. There's one guy surfing. Wow, this is terrible, guys. Woo! It's windy and rainy. And this is what you also don't see often. Paradise Beach Bar pretty empty. They're dancing here. That's funny. Yeah. This is how it looks now. Yesterday it was beautiful. I showed you in the video. It was blue sky. There was even the sun out. The warm, beautiful sun was out. And now this is reality, guys. This is rainy season in Da Nang. This is also how it looks. Yeah. As you can see, only 2 people are there out on the beach. Things are still open, but yeah, hopefully it will stop. But it is rainy season and You have to know this if you want to come to Da Nang in November, December, January. This is how it will look. Often. Hopefully not all the time, but this is how it will look. The one typhoon named Koto, I think it will dissolve. It's roaming around in the south still, but it looks like in 12 hours it will dissolve itself. It's still, even though there's no typhoon coming, the problem right now in central Vietnam, central and south Vietnam at the moment, is not the typhoon, not strong winds, it's this here, the rain. The water levels are too high and we don't need more rain now. Yeah. Da Nang was now very good for the last week. It was just drizzling a little bit, a few times here and there. But days like this is really bad because it just does not stop raining. And if it doesn't stop raining, yeah. The An Thuong area here in this neighborhood will not be that much affected. Like this is like a little water puddle here. Okay. But other than that, it's not that bad here in this neighborhood. But other regions in the south, and if you want to go to Hoi An, be careful. After 3 days of non-stop raining like this, it will always flood around the river. So in the rainy season, maybe try to stay away from the river hotels, not directly there, or something more modern, a little bit outside. The beach is no problem, but yeah, be aware of that. But usually if it stops raining for 3 days, then it should be also fine again. Got the Maya Beach Bar here. Yeah, my shoes are all already wet. It's a problem. Since I saw Marcus slipping and falling on the floor almost, like he was very close to being laying flat because of his Crocs. Be careful, guys. Please walk slow. Don't rush anywhere. No need to rush anywhere. Walk slow, tippy-tap around. Especially if you're walking into the hotel. You usually should have something there, but just, yeah, be careful, guys. You don't want to break something. Especially everyone who's older than 20, I guess. You know what was funny when I was 12 years old, 14, 15? I was a skater, just like Wally. Shout out to Wally. I was a skater. I jumped so many stairs and I jumped so many crazy things and I fall down so many times. Nothing happened. The only thing that happened was maybe a little bit of a bruise on my knee. Maybe the pants were broken or anything. But as a young person, you fall down and nope, nothing happens. I don't know how it is. Now, with 36, I fall down and yeah, that's it. Sayonara. That's why I don't do anything crazy here anymore. But yeah, that's the reality. So if you're not a teenager, be careful where you run. Just walk slow, tippy-tap when you enter a restaurant or a hotel, because maybe it will work in America. If you slip out and fall, you can sue someone. Definitely not here, guys. Definitely not here. If you fall here, you won't get money from anyone. Bah. And with all this wind, be careful with this building as well. Those metal bars. One of you actually showed me that. When this metal bar dropped down because of the wind. If it's very windy, be careful walking around here, guys. Look at all those rusty metal bars everywhere. Everything can kill you here. Look at this. Even this. Maybe not wise to walk around here, but it's like very long metal bars and I have an umbrella on. Maybe that's fine. Oh boy. But it does not flood here, so. But the water comes from here, look at this. Comes here, goes all the way down here, and then into the drainage system. Still. Maybe wear some 1990s Buffaloes, some booster shoes. That would be the right thing to do now. Yeah, so as you see here, they put on some cardboard. But yeah, still, be careful, guys. Drone trip. Oh boy. It looks like a ghost city right now, right? Imagine this 6 months ago when the streets were packed. But this is also reality right now in the rainy season, guys. It's nothing new, nothing unusual. It's just the time of the year. In Germany, it's probably gonna snow soon, or it already does snow. How is the temperature at your place where you are right now? You got winter already? I mean, it is December right now. Now it's I mean, it would be nice. I like snow. I just don't like the nasty snow in Germany because where I'm from, at least, the snow is snow rain. Beautiful snow, white snow, nice. Rain, snow, not nice. Yeah. Look at this. I can show you this one sign here. That was like tripping me out the other day. So this sign here was hanging down. They also said they have 5 million now. They just repaired this thing. But this was hanging down and I'm like, oh my God. I mean, I would never walk down there because I'm too tall. But if you would have been walked there and this was gonna break down, they just redid it completely. Be careful, guys. Also, the other day I saw a big sign like this just dropping on the floor. Just like that, boom. Yeah. This wind gusts are dangerous, guys. Be careful. I remember 3 years ago I walked in Bangkok with my Birkenstocks. The last time I wear Birkenstocks in my life. I threw them away afterwards. I tripped out of the bus. It was raining. I walked down, I went out the bus, and then I tripped like crazy. And I was only lucky because I was wearing a backpack. And the backpack basically saved me. Yeah. Be careful with the flip-flops, guys. Alright guys, this is how it looks now. I really hope I can show you another weather, but this is the reality. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next one.